Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use, because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need SI in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. SI is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly